So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have two parallel chords on the same side of the center of the circle and are 12-inch and 20-inch long and 2-inch apart. We have to find the radius of the circle. So let's see this figure. So O is the center and we have two chord, one is AB and one is CD. So this is smaller, so this is 12-inch long and this is 20-inch long, and distance between them is given as 2-inch. We have to find the radius of the circle. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So these kind of problem are easily solvable by right angle triangle formation. So you can see that this is the center of the circle and this is A point and this is C point. So if you join A point to the center and C point to the center, so we know any point on the circle to the center distance is equal to the radius. So both distance are equal to the radius. So let's assume this OF is equal to X and we know OA as R, which is radius, and this distance we know as 2, so we can write OE distance as 2 plus x simply, and AE distance, this distance is 12 divided by 2, half of 12, which is 6. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle AEO as r square is equal to 6 square plus 2 plus x whole square. Simply this we can apply. And if you look at the triangle CFO, this is C, this is F, this is O. Here you can also apply the Pythagoras theorem. So this is R, this we assume initially as X, and this CF is half of 20 simply because of symmetry, both CF is equal to FD. So both are half of 20, so which is equal to 10. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem as r square is equal to x square plus 10 square. Now you can equate this r square to this r square, so it will become like x square plus 10 square is equal to 6 square plus 2 plus x whole square. So you can open this, it will become like 4 plus x square plus 4x. This x square and this x square cancel. This will become like 40. So 100 is equal to 40 plus 4x. So from here you can solve for x, it will become like 15. So now we know x, then we can put x value here. So it will become like r square as 100 plus 225, which is 325. So you can take square root. So this will become like root of 325. You can write 325 as 25 multiplied by 13. So after simplifying this, it will become like 5 root 13 inch. So in this way we can find the radius of this circle. So there is another method. So let's see method 2. So in the problem it is given that this EF distance is 2. So what is the another way of writing this EF distance? We know this OA as R and this AE distance as 6, and AEO is a right angle triangle. So we can write OE as root of R square minus 6 square. So this distance we can write root of R square minus 6 square. Similarly, this OF distance we can write root of R square minus 10 square, because this is R and this is 10. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem and find OF distance. And if we subtract this distance from this distance, this is equal to the EF distance, which is equal to the 2. And you can solve this by many methods. So one of the method is this. You can observe that if we multiply root of r square minus 6 square minus root of r square minus 10 square, multiply by root of r square minus 6 square plus root of r square minus 10 square. So this is a minus b and a plus b form, which is a square minus b square. So which is r square minus 6 square minus r square minus 10 square. So which is 10 square minus 6 square, and which is 64. So this value is equal to 64. Now you also know that this as 2, so you can replace here 2. So it will become like 2 multiplied by root of r square minus 6 square plus root of r square minus 10 square is equal to 64. So you can see it will become like 32. And we know this thing as 2, so we can add both of these and we can find like 2 times root of r square minus 6 square is equal to this 34. So then after simplifying it will become like 17. Then you can square both sides. So 17 square is 289 and 6 square is 36. So after adding it will become like 325. Then you can take square root. So it is simply 5 root 13 inch that we calculated by the method 1 also. The same value is coming by method 2 also. So this is the final solution, and in this way we can solve this.